Hiya, it's Hannah the Artisan Duck, and I thought today I'll just do a quick video to show you how I attach my stud earring backs to my earrings. It's one of those things I wasn't ever quite sure how to do, and now I figured it out. I thought I'd share it. So I've already got my stud here, and it's been put in the oven, and I've put the hole in it ready for my jump ring to go into. But I now need to add my earring back. I have rolled out the same colour clay, and it's really thin, so it's about a number 8 on my machine, and I'm going to take a circle cutter, and this is smaller than the stud back, and I'm just going to cut out 2 circles for my stud. There we go, that's 1 back per earring. I'll just move that off to the side. Now this bit is optional, you don't have to, but I like to just put circles in the middle so that I don't have to push it too much onto the earring back. So I'm just going to go with my tool like that. There's one. It just helps me position it better once it's in my hand as well. I can see where I'm going. So there's that. And I've now got my earring back there. So you're also going to now need some liquid clay. I've got Fimo, but you can obviously use whatever you've got, and I'm just going to put some of it on the back of my earring like that. I don't want a lot, I just want it to act like a thin glue layer. So I'm just going to rub that around. I do actually have a little tissue off to the side so I can clean my hand, and I'm going to pop my earring back on. There you go, just like that, and you can move it around. Even with the backing on, you can still move it until it's been put in the oven. Now I'm going to get my little circle of clay and just pop it on and push it down. Like I say, this will still slide around, so if you need to move it around to get it central, you can do. But there we go, I've added that post onto there. Now if you want to, you can go around and just push down these bits here, which I sometimes do if I think it needs it, just to flatten it down. You've got to remember that this has got to go through the ear and have a butterfly or whatever backing you use put on it to hold it securely in place. So you want as much of that post showing as possible. But there you go. So it would seem that my camera turned itself off before I finished showing the raw clay attachment here. But this has now been in my oven, and I followed the instructions on my liquid clay bottle. And I say liquid clay because the temperature for the liquid clay for the Fimo anyway is hotter than the temperature for your regular raw clay. The clay will be fine, just don't go over the temperature that it says on the bottle and it'll be fine. So this is now cooled down. My earring post is nice and secure. I've put a hole in so I can attach my jump ring, but obviously if you're just making regular studs you don't have to. And that's pretty much it. It seems a faff, but if you glue posts onto the clay, they will invariably fall off. They always do. I've never had any success with it, so this is the only way that I've managed to make it work. I shall put a link below for the blog post, just in case you want to go and have a look at that, and I'll also link down below somewhere the tutorial for this yellow sprinkle slab, and possibly some affiliate links for products I've used. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!